Hello friends. Birds have captured our imaginations. We love birds. They bring us peace and joy. It's so beautiful to see birds flying in the sky. Don't you wish you could do that? I'm even drinking this morning out of my coffee mug with an owl on it. We love images of birds. We love to eat some birds like chicken. Birds are amazing animals. I'm so glad our feathered friends are with us. Today we'll look at a lesson about birds and their habitats. Some birds may prefer habitat along a river like this one. Different birds have different types of habitat they like. Places where they can find food, water, and shelter. Shelter from predators and shelter for nesting.
Oh, hi. I'm out here bird watching.
Many birds, like the hummingbird, can be attracted to your home by putting the special plants they like near your house. Look at this beautiful fuchsia plant with these beautiful flowers. A hummingbird takes its long straw-like beak and sips nectar out of these flowers. So we're hoping to attract the hummingbird right up by our house. Special birds need special plants or special insects. Look at this. We're trying to attract birds to this window. So we're putting up feeders for birds that eat seeds and some flowers for birds that sip nectar. You can attract birds to your home. Hello, first grade friends. Today, you're going to take the Bird Habitat Challenge. That's right, you're going to create a habitat for one of the birds that you will select from the resources. Think about how you can create a habitat that includes all of the food, water, and shelter. Shelter for nesting and shelter from hiding from enemies. Think about it. Create a bird habitat. Enjoy.